Guys, I am buying some candy.
Drop a local store by the. Oh, never mind. Thank you, Cobra.
Of course, sir, it's my job.
Sus. Let me bring van. We'll kidnap people. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Anyone from HQ want to come?
Have you ever wanted to make mind-boggling visual effects and simulations in
Are you going in, guys? Thank you. Where's the other roads? Look at the button.
To department.
Quiet, can you come inside, please? Because this guy not don't want it easy.
handsome young lady?
It's not on my car.
Oh, it's your coat, baby.
It's my girl.
Quiet.
Name's Carly.
Just come.
Really? What's it most pricey?
Charles, what you eat me to the store?
Are you blind or what? Are you blind or what? Can't you see your whole line?
3 minutes, Cobra.
It's a store robbery, I think.
It's a gun store.
No, it's that.
You guys can enter.
Alright, guys, come, let's enter.
Like, check how much time is left. Someone go.
There is
count
time,
some.
right?
Alright, it will be done.
6 minutes.
Get inside, guys, get inside. Don't think they have hostage. For me taking evidence. We won't negotiate.
Wait, don't negotiate. Use a drone citizen to say if there's a hostage inside or no. If there is no hostage inside, just go to roofs. Everyone take roofs. Use a drone seat vision.
Oh, there are too many.
Yeah, do not negotiate. Do not negotiate right now.
Guys, go to the roofs, take cover, just don't stay at the car.
Yeah, don't start negotiating. Go to roofs.
Stop fucking doing that.
Demands is given to this guy. Both he guy.
Commands have been given to who?
The both he
Wait,
guy.
they didn't.
Shoot at him, he's ramming me.
Alex. Oi.
हाँ बोल अरे वैसे नहीं मैं जो हाई कमांड है ना वो मेरा मतलब बड़ा भाई है ना समझ रहे हैं ना
Guys, you don't
to the
have
biggest
hostage, guys. Check those the drones.
Guys, go to the
Come
roof.
to the biggest roof. Come to the biggest roof. Everyone, come to the biggest roof.
Yeah, everybody go to the roof.
Why is
or,
LSPD already shoot?
Why are you shooting?
Yes.
don't shoot
It's LSPD shoot.
Evidence collected and these